Hi, Johan. Hi ka muna kay Daddy. Bilis. Kamusta? Kamusta po? Sabi, kamusta po? May naliligong tao. Kinukwento mo nung naliligo ka. Ganda naman ang dumi. A is for?
Apple.
B is for?
Ball.
C is for?
Cake.
D is for?
Dog.
E is for?
Ipat.
F is for?
Fish.
G is for?
Goat.
H is for?
Hat.
Ano kasunod? I is for?
Imo.
Iglo. J is for?
Juice.
K is for?
Taco.
Kangaroo. L is for?
Yayo.
Lion. M is for?
Monkey.
Monkey. N is for?
No.
No. O is for?
Apple.
Octopus. P is for?
Pig.
Pig. Q is for?
Queen.
Queen. R is for?
Window.
R. Ring.
Ring.
Ring. Rainbow ba sinabi mo? Pwede yun.
Tawagi ko.
Oo. Okay. Continue. S is for?
Sean.
C is for?
Shane.
R, S, T. U is for?
Bila.
B is for?
Meat.
BB.
Meat.
BB. Sasakay ng?
Bus.
Van. Very good. UB. W is for?
Sakay.
Oo, sasakay tayo. W is for?
Walk.
Watch.
Yun. Walk.
X is for?
Sean.
Y is for?
Ilaw.
Yellow. Last. J is for? J is for? Uy, busy. Anong ginagawa yun? Z, last na baby. Z is for? Oh, very good. A, B, C, D. A to say. Very good, very good. Babay na ka kay Daddy, bilis.
Baba, babi.
Daddy.
Daddy.
Sabi mo, kakain tayo sa?
Sa.
Saan tayo kakain? Saan tayo, baby, kakain? Ha?
Hado.
McDo! Tsaka?
Daddy.
Okay. Babay na kay Daddy. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Babu.
Mwah!